Facebook Marketplace isn't just for buying cheap deals, it's becoming a serious income stream for many people. Statistics show that over 1 billion people use Facebook Marketplace every month. And in this year, that is 2025, about 4 out of every 10 Facebook users, they have bought or sold something on Facebook. How would you like to turn your old sofa, your phone, or even those shoes you never wear into real cash without leaving your home, without leaving your comfort? Facebook Marketplace is helping ordinary people earn big, and today I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Here is the thing, you guys. Facebook Marketplace isn't just for buying cheap deals. It's becoming a serious income stream for many people. Statistics show that over 1 billion people use Facebook Marketplace every month. And in this year, that is 2025, about 4 out of every 10 Facebook users, they have bought or sold something on Facebook. The best part is you don't need to be a tech genius or own a big business. You can even start something lying around your home and grow from there, just like thousands of regular people are doing right now. If you don't know where Facebook Marketplace is, I want you to open your Facebook profile, go and look for it. If you're not sure about it, write it in the comment section. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says, I hate poverty. And for you to hold a smartphone and beg for $50 below, it's a sin, especially when you discover that majority of people out there are making money using their smartphone and social media platforms. Guys, I love you so much. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru, not a financial expert, not a financial consultant, but I'm a lady that gives out what I know is working for me and for other people around me, the few ones. Then the majority keep on always scrolling and buying. So we are going to dive into how people are making money. This is how the topic is. The people earn big on Facebook, and how do they earn big on Facebook market? I have different ways. There are like 5 ways, and I'll be sharing with you one by one. If you don't know any of them, you can go to the comment section, put there a comment, then we'll bring for you a full tutorial about it. The first way they make money on Marketplace is they start with their own already items at home. Clothes, electronics, furniture, anything in good condition can be listed on Marketplace. Take clear photos, write clear, short but catchy title and description about the items, whether they are color and whether they are fair condition or already had used. Then you set a fair price. One seller, I remember, made around $200 in a week after selling her old kitchenwares. Now these days, even when I've already gone to throw things, I remember there is Marketplace. Then the second one is flip and resell for profit. Some sellers buy cheap or free items locally, then they fix them very well, they put them up and resell them for profit. There is this man who made over 16,000 US dollars in 5 years just by selling things he found and refurbished them. That's the steady income or extra income without a huge investment. Another way they are making money is they sell handmade or unique items. Especially if you're creative, you can just sit down and think of homemade candles. Making these things is just go to YouTube, you'll know how to make homemade candles, crafts, and many more, especially if they are for home, like art, even custom furniture. Marketplace is the perfect shop window. How can you imagine you can reach local buyers who are ready to pay for unique and personal items? Another way is offer delivery or bundle deals. Adding delivery or selling items in bundles can make your listing stand out. Buyers love convenience and they are often willing to pay a little extra VAT. So go for it, because majority of people are offering, they are selling but they are not doing delivery. So you can be unique and get that market. Then they are also upgrading to Facebook shops for bigger sales. If you start selling regularly, you can connect Marketplace to a Facebook shop. This opens you up for more buyers and lets your Facebook be used, and also its tools, they target the people most likely to buy from you. Now that I've told you this, I want this video to be short and precise. Which method have we ever used, or have you ever heard on how people are making money on the marketplace? If you didn't know any of it on marketplace, please, I want you to be frank and put it, I don't know, in the comment section. And if you knew, have you used them? If you've not used them, okay, would you love to try? You can try one or two, one of them that makes you feel comfortable. I'm very sure there is that cloth you want to throw, you're not interested in, and instead of throwing it, you can put it on marketplace. Whether you're decluttering your home, you're flipping bargains, or selling your own creations, Facebook Marketplace can turn your free time into extra income. The opportunities are right there in your phone. All you have to do is start listing today, and the rest will be history. I'm going to start with this bowel, the one you see in the and we'll see what it will come. It's new, but it is like I bought it on sale high, but I'll be selling it a bit higher. It's beautiful, and we'll see what it will give me. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.